When you think of the ocean, you think of the iconic bird, the gull. These seagulls are older than you might think. The earliest fossils were found in Mesozoic strata between 20 and 15 million years ago.
Meu coração quer cantar feliz, sorrir, dançar e viver essa vida de aprendiz.
Strictly a water bird, gulls can float on water like ducks and even have webbed feet, but they prefer to land on dry land. So if there's land or a boat, they'll land there, and rarely take to the water. Although they are famous as seabirds and their main food is sea creatures, they sometimes go deep into the land and eat freshwater fish and frogs in rivers, swamps, ponds, lakes, rice fields, and reservoirs, and they are said to eat rabbits on rare occasions. Many people mistakenly think they are about the size of a pigeon or magpie when they see them flying from a distance or see them in photographs. Gulls are about 1 meter long with their wings outstretched, and their beaks are about the length of an adult's finger, making them at least the size of a duck. They look like they only live in the ocean, but they also live in the Han River. They are quite ferocious, so they eat other animals' babies and eggs, and even fly at people to attack them. It looks cute from a distance, but it might be scarier than you think when you see it up close.
A cat is an animal of the mammalian carnivore family Felidae. Cats have long been enjoyed as pets by humans. However, ancient Egyptian murals show cats being used to hunt birds. The symbiotic relationship between cats and humans is believed to have begun around the time of the rise of Egyptian civilization with the development of agriculture, when they followed the rats that congregated in the granaries where grain was stored. As such, cats don't have any of the characteristics of domesticated animals. They were more of a symbiotic relationship with humans than domesticated animals. From there, they spread throughout Europe and Asia via the Silk Road, thanks to Arabian traders. They were also useful for sailing, so they traveled with humans and spread around the world. While not included in the Chinese zodiac, in Vietnam and Nepal, the cat is one of the zodiacal animals instead of the rabbit. Although they don't live in packs, they do have hierarchical rituals, such as honoring the eating order of cats higher in rank than themselves. The social role of cat calls depends on the type of intruder and the other three sounds. Nasal purring is a greeting between cats, or an expression of social concern for an injured or sick cat. A nasal trembling sound is also a greeting. There are many different types of open-mouthed cries that approach slowly, like a meow. They are mostly used for greeting and social interaction with other cats and other animals such as dogs and humans. Be careful with open-mouthed sounds, such as hisses and growls, which are usually associated with aggression.